Hi there. Would you agree when I say that it is very important for an individual or a community to understand what are their roots and where they are coming from? If you do agree that this journey, the knowledge of the journey is important for us to understand where we are going in the future or what are the possibilities that we have in the future, then I think this discussion about a workshop would be of interest to you. This workshop is designed for second generation Indo-Canadian or Indo-American children who do not have enough exposure to the country of their origin. Many of us who are in first generation migrants into these countries, for us, knowing about India comes naturally. We have been raised in that environment. We understand that environment very well. The social system, the cultural system, the economic system of our home country in India is not strange to us, and we understand that very well. Sometimes to an extent that we follow the news about India more than we follow the news about our host country or adopted country. On the other hand, for second generation children, that does not come naturally. They have not been exposed to India, but they need this information very much, because when they are dealing with children of many other countries and their current country, they face the challenges where the lack of this knowledge can be really hurting their confidence. So as such, it is very important for us to be able to give that knowledge to them. They will not be getting this knowledge from school or through the curriculum. Also, practically speaking, we should be knowing that our generation and our previous generations, they had a reason to come to Western world. There was strong economic growth in the Western world, and as such, the business opportunities and the career opportunities were immense in these areas. But the future forecast is that countries like China and India, the Asian countries, they are going through a bigger phase of economic growth in the future, and as such, those opportunities might be more likely in those areas. So even from that angle, the knowledge and the connection to India is very, very important, so that you do not become a stranger in your own country of origin. So given all of that, this workshop is essentially aimed at providing a concise overview of what India is about to our second generation kids, primarily aimed at children from grade 4 to grade 10 or grade 12. Anybody else is welcome as well. The age really does not matter. Just the target group would be the school children. And the workshop essentially is about the Indian history, political system, economic landscape, and the culture. We'll talk about ancient India, medieval India, modern India. Those history that history is very vast and very interesting. Putting that in a concise manner would be an interesting challenge. Similarly, the information about the modern day India in terms of the political structure, the what's happening financially and in economic sectors, that's very important. When it comes to the culture, we'll learn about the various art forms, the languages, the religions, the sculptures, the monuments, the movies and the music, etc. We try to compass that in about 3 to 4 sessions or the weekends. So if this concept is of interest to you, please follow the link given, and also more details are available on the flyer. Lastly, I would like to clarify that this workshop is purely a social initiative. There's no cost required for participation in these workshops. Only one appeal would be that if you have capability and interest in making some contributions, please do so. What we'll be doing is that any such contributions will be passed on to an NGO who's doing great work in India. It's Ekal Foundation. You must have heard about that. If not, please find more information about Ekal on ekal.org or ekal.ca. You'll see the endorsement even by our Prime Minister Modi, as well as this organization has won Gandhi Peace Prize. So that speaks volumes about the great work that it's doing in reaching out to around 2.8 million children in more than 100,000 plus villages in India. And also during the COVID time, they have done a hugely important role in prevention of COVID spread in the rural parts of India. So that's the overall idea about this workshop. You have all the information in the flyer. If you have any questions or any comments or suggestions you want to make about this program, please feel free to contact me. My phone number is 016-919-4377. You can contact me on text or WhatsApp. I'll be very happy to hear your suggestions. Thank you very much.